For most people, when they're getting older, if you're over 40 in particular, balance is an issue. It happens with everybody. As you get older, you lose that balance, you lose your mobility, you lose stability. And that's a big problem because especially here in like Canada, where it starts to snow, it gets slippery. And if you don't have control of your motor skills that keep you upright, keep you balanced, you're gonna be on your ass way more than you wanna be. Now, there's a quick little trick. It's a great way I train my clients to get that mobility into their body, to teach them a lot more uses to different joints and stuff like that. So if you have access to a gym, I like to increase the incline of the treadmill. So it's as high up as it can go. Start off with your hands on the support arms. And what you're doing is you're walking backwards. Hands-free, you know, it's different. It feels different. You move different. And it's one of those, there's a lot more I teach, trust me, but this is one of the fun ones. It's a simple way to warm up and have fun. And it really does give your body new ways of understanding movement, and it supports you in different ways so that those slippery surfaces, those uneven surfaces, that's what it's going to help you do. So if you like that, you want to see other tips and tricks, other ways of training, head on over to GrowProThrive.com. You'll see there, I can teach you how to get your strength back, how to rebuild from the inside out. It's a great resource. It's going to be what you need to be the best you can be. Look forward to seeing you there.